answer for this type of question. Let's go to talk about the first one. Question 1, which of the following is incorrect? When we say incorrect, so we will choose the false answer. A. The cell wall of mushroom is made up of chitin. This is true because the cell wall of mushroom, which belong to the kingdom of fungi, all the type of fungi, their cell wall is made up of molecule which is named as chitin. So this is not the false answer. B. The filaments of fungi that is not divided are cynocytic hyphae. This is also true because the filaments are named as hyphae, and we have two types of hyphae. If it's not divided, it will be named as a cynocytic hyphae. Now let's go to C. The C1 is that Candida albicans is multicellular organism and heterotroph. We know that Candida albicans is a type of yeast, so yeast is unicellular and it's not multicellular. So the false answer, we will choose this one as a false answer, C. Now, question number 2. Which of the following is correct about gametocyte of malaria? So, first of all, highlight the keywords. We will choose in this question the correct answer or the true answer for the gametocyte of malaria. We know that the gametocyte are those structures that transfer from the human to the mosquito. So, we will choose this answer. It transmits from infected human to healthy Anopheles mosquito. In question number 3, it asks about penicillium, and we know penicillium is a type of fungi. It belongs to kingdom fungi, but it's not yeast, so it's multicellular organism. Is it a type of antibiotic? This is wrong because it's not a type of antibiotic. The antibiotic is named as penicillin, not penicillium. B. It's a type of heterotrophic unicellular organism. Is it a heterotroph unicellular? No, we said it's not unicellular because it's not yeast. Okay, what about the answer C? The spores of penicillium are protected by enclosed sac. This is also wrong because the penicillium is not protected by enclosed sac, so this is also wrong. D. It's a type of organism which reproduces asexually by conidia. This is true because penicillium reproduces asexually and sexually. The asexual one it's by forming conidia. So the answer will be for this question B. Sorry, it will be D. Now let's go to talk about the fourth question. Fourth question asked about African sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness is a type of disease transmitted by tsetse fly and belong to phylum of Zoomastygina. Is it a disease caused by female Anopheles mosquito? This is wrong because it's caused by tsetse fly. Now, B, is it caused by a protozoa that move by cilia? Also, this is wrong because it's caused by the protozoa that move by flagella. Now, C, it belongs to protozoa of phylum Zoomastygina. This is true because it belongs to protozoa of phylum Zoomastygina, the one which is caused the African sleeping sickness. So the answer for this question will be C. Let's go to C, the answer D. Is it caused by a heterotrophic organism named as Plasmodium? This is also wrong because it's not by Plasmodium, it's by Trypanosoma. Plasmodium is for malaria, not for African sleeping sickness. Now let's go to talk about other question. Here we have the first question in F2 group. Which of the following is incorrect? So again, in this question also, we will focus on the false answer, not the true answer. Trypanosoma, it's a type of protozoa that move by flagella. This question is true because this answer is true because Trypanosoma that cause African sleeping sickness, it's moved by flagella. Now B, the paramecium reproduce both sexually and asexually. This is also true because paramecium have two nucleus, one for asexual reproduction and one for sexual reproduction. Now let's go to C, the animal-like protist adapted to unfavorable environment by producing cysts. This is also true because the protozoa or the animal-like protist have two types of adaptation. It's either cyst or eye spot. So this is also true. D, the animal-like protist, which is multinucleated, belong to phylum Zoomastygina. This answer is wrong because the multinucleated organism is not belong to Zoomastygina. Instead, it belongs to Celiophora, like Paramecium, which is multinucleated, that belong to phylum of Celiophora. Now, the second question, which of the following is correct about the difference between protozoa and fungi? So we will focus on the correct answer, only the difference between protozoa and fungi. So we will not choose everything, we will focus only on the difference between protozoa and fungi. A. Protozoa reproduce asexually by conjugation, while fungi like rhizobas reproduce asexually by sporangiophore. This is a correct difference between them. Like protozoa, it reproduce sexually by a process which is named as conjugation, while the fungi can reproduce both sexually and asexually, but like for asexual one, it's reproduced by sporangiophore. This is a type of asexual reproduction in rhizobas. So this answer is true. Let's go to B. Fungi and protozoa reproduce both sexually and asexually. This answer is true, but it's not for the difference between them. It's only the similarity between fungi and protozoa. So we will not choose this answer. C. Both protozoa and fungi are heterotroph eukaryotic organisms. This is also true, but it's a similarity, not a difference between them. So finally, we will choose only the difference between them. So it will be A. Now, pseudopodia. What is pseudopodia? Pseudopodia is a structure for movement in amoeba. So we will focus on this one. It's a structure for movement in amoeba. And the last question is repeated as in F1 group. Which of the following is correct about the gametocyte? The gametocyte of malaria usually transmit from infected human to healthy anophil. But if it's the opposite, if we say it from the infected anophil to healthy human, at that time, the one that is transmitted will be sporozoite, the spores which is named as sporozoite, not gametocyte.